So Roberto, I was wondering what's one program that's really influenced you?
One program that has influenced me is Best Buddies. It helps us create awareness to those with disabilities.
I was reading and I read that in Ghana, there's a lack of awareness about disabilities between, teachers and students. So I was wondering, what's one thing you may do to help solve that problem?
I personally would love to incorporate this program with those schools that are having that problem. Yeah.
I know what it feels like to be ostracized before, so I think Best Buddies would be a good program to implement with the kids in Ghana.
Yeah.
Ultimately, we're making education more accessible, and we're also creating a blueprint for other countries to want to incorporate Best Buddies into their country as well.
We're Team We Belong!